Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss about different type of gowns. If you are planning your wedding in search of your dream wedding gown and trying to decide how to choose the best wedding dress and of your body type, and you have come to right place. So let's get started. There are 7 major different type of gowns: A-line, modified A-line and ball gown and sheath gowns and empire waist and mermaid and trumpet gown, and they all different in terms of their cut and style. These are the picture I draw will explain you which kind of gown perfect for you. Firstly, we will discuss with you ball gown from Cinderella to modern day and fascinates, and this gown is certainly a timeless favorite. And it is the most amazing. Entire ball gown are dresses with a fitted bodies and which flare at the waist with a floor touching skirt. Ideal for the most body type but look great on pairs, and since it hides the lower body, the puffy skirt and maybe too overpowering and petite women's and frame, so it's used to petite, and select a ball gown with less volume and choose a classic color with luster fabric and rich detail. A ball gown is a great option for evening wear, and that's will never go out of style. So plus they are great, and if you want to all eyes on you, so like your wedding and engagement. Second, mermaid gown. The mermaid style is yet another timeless and one, and is still very trendy this season. Mermaid gown style is fitted till the knee or curve and then taper to become a full skirt or trail. This style look extremely elegant with a low cut back that and emphasize the figure and the turn of the back and hip. That's why it's perfect for hourglass women, even some pear shaped women, and mermaid gown have always been a party favorite. So choose for engagement, galas and black tie events. The third is empire waist gowns. Empire waist dress are extremely trendy and give a royal look. Empire waist gown have a high waistline and just below the breast, and they completely hide the tummy and work great for diamond and pear-shaped women. Even pregnant women perfect this style. If you want to enhance your body shape and look flawless, go for this memorizing trend. Fourth is A-line gown. A-line gown is a simple and elegant and suit all body shapes. It has fitted bodies until the waist and flow out the ground in an A-line. They are the perfect choice when you want to mini-list and silhouette and like a new year and parties and bridesmaid and dresses, and out of all different type of gowns, and this one my favorite. Fifth is modified A-line gowns. This style is just a modified version of the A-line dress. It is fitted through the bodies and hip and gradually flare to the hem and forming an A shape. The modified A-line dress fit closer to the body than a traditional A-line. The curve-hugging silhouette is perfect for those with shapely waist, like hourglass or pear-shaped women who have a toned belly. Strawberry shape can rock it, and two rectangular shaped ladies and can also find these flirting with a belt. Sixth is trumpet gown. This style is fitted through the body and flare at thigh, and great option for women who have a small waist and such a hourglass and petite. Not a good option for pear and shape body, and it is a great for strawberry shape and women too, because the flare will be give a balance effect. And the last, seventh, is sheath gown. This style of gown has a straight silhouette. It goes straight down from the hip to the hem and with little or no flare. Sometimes a slight flare is added and tapering at at the heel to become a long trail. Great option for petite and hourglass shapes and even rectangle shape. Women can rock belted sheath gown style. Thanks for watching my vlog. Hope you like it. Like, subscribe my channel. Then you can check it out my new vlog and entertaining videos. Thanks. Bye bye.